There are two ways you can withdraw from your Fiverr account. You can either withdraw through Payoneer or withdraw through PayPal. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can withdraw through any of them without having a PayPal or Payoneer of your own. You need to come to Ratefy.co. You can always search the availability by searching on this AI enabled search box. Come to withdraw Fiverr earnings. So we'll see all the available offers. If you don't have a Ratefy account, you can create one, but I have, so I'll just go to the dashboard. Right here, we need to come to the OTC deals because we want to sell Fiverr funds through PayPal. We use this offer right here. There will be someone at the other hand that would help you with the withdrawal. So let's say you want to withdraw $200. This is the amount you'll be getting after the withdrawal. You need to link the bank account you want to get paid into. Then I'll click on proceed to sell. This will initiate a transaction with the admin, and the admin will join this chat. You can also click this I've done my part. Once the linking has been done and the withdrawal has been made, then you'll be paid directly to your open account.